welcome back to my video. So we're gonna open this Baby Chip Plus, and I just opened this yesterday because I'm so excited and I didn't shoot a video. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. So let's go. And this is guys my brother dog, and his name is RC, and he's 2 years also, and he's gonna help me to open my baby tree with me. So let's go. Let's go, guys. So we're gonna open this. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. So let's go. It's so cute, guys. I got the blueberry, and it's crying. See, guys, and it's a keychain, and I don't know if what this is called, but it's so cute, and she have like the pink over like in here, a blush here, guys, and it's so cute. And I like the color, and it's so fluffy, guys. So we're gonna open another one. So let me put this first in my bed. So, and I'm gonna take the another one. So, RC, can you watch that? Daddy, oh, it's right here. So let's and guys, we're gonna hatch this egg, and I don't know if what's inside. And guys, I just take the plastic off because it's so hard to open. So yeah, guys, and we're gonna open this, and it's actually a plush. So I have 2 plush. Yes, guys. So let's go, and we're gonna hatch it. I can hear it, guys. See? Can you hear it? Right? So we're gonna open it. So let's go. And there's a lot of question marks. So let's open it. Oh, that's so loud, guys. And what did I get? In 3, 2, 1. Wow! It's colorful. It's so cute, guys. It's actually a plush, and what is this? What is that? S? So let's try to push it. It seems, guys, it's a lullaby. See, guys? And let's see if there's more. Down came the rain. And guys, I just sing this, and guys, I just watched this one, and guys, my family just used me to sleep with this lullaby song when I'm a baby. So this is so cute, and my daddy just bought this for me, and my daddy is the best. And guys, so it's so cute, and I like the ears. It's so cute, guys. And I just take the plastic off because it's so hard to open. So yeah, guys, and I like it. It's golden, and it's even golden, and guys, there's glitters, golden glitters. So that's for all, guys. Bye, kids. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.